Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do, we're going to create a program that reads through a directory, through the files and through the folders in it, and then it saves the entries to a text file on your desktop, and this is done in Windows. So I'm going to create a subroutine called list files. And I'm going to create a desktop path for my scalar desktop path. I'm going to assign it to my desktop path. This is my own unique desktop path, so you will have to find your desktop path, or else if you simply type this code in here into on your computer, it will fail. Okay, and then we do chdir, which changes the directory to that path above. Okay, now we're going to create an array called files folders. Assign it to directory here, and then the path above, and then we're going to use .map. Going to use base name. Right. Okay. So that's the desktop path. Just missed something out there. Okay, that's more like it. And I'll show you what this does first of all before we carry on with the program. We're going to print it out, and that's going to be files and folders. Whoops. Files and folders. Just call the program here list files. Okay, and it's going to be called Raku list files. Oh, no, it's not. Raku test.raku. So Raku test.raku. Hit enter, and there you see it lists all the files and folders on my desktop. So I'll just clear that. Right, so we'll carry on with the program. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to save all these entries to a text file. So we're going to create my scalar file name. So we're going to create a text file. And we do this by doing open. And what we do is we give it a name, files1.txt. Okay, that we have to use a flag now on it, so wait, we're done there. So this flag W is for creating a file and writing to it, and then we do scalar file name dot say files and folders. I'm going to write files and folders entries to the file, and then we're going to close the file. And then we're going to Then we're going to print out a message to the user, say file created at, and then we're going to tell them where we created the file on the desktop using desktop path there. Okay, let's just save that. Let's just run the program, Raku test.raku. Let's hit enter. Okay, so it says here file created at C users. Let's see if it has done that. Okay, so there's the file. Let's open it. And there's the contents as well. It's copied all the directory contents into that file. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button below and give it a big thumbs up. And I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.